All right, today we're taking a look at the TOAKS 900 milliliter pot. This is the wide version. It comes in at 4.5 inches across and right at 2 3/4 of an inch tall. Again, it does hold 900 milliliters. It has a foldable handle that wraps around the pot for easy storage, and they are lined with a rubberized coating so that you don't burn your hands when you're pulling it off of the stove. The lid that does come with it actually has a locking mechanism for the handle pull, and it'll keep that handle upright so that you don't have to risk burning your fingers when you're taking the lid off to see if the water's boiling, or to take the lid off when you are finished cooking. The pot does come with 3 holes in the top to allow for steam to escape, keeping the pot from rattling the lid when the water does start to boil. This is a newer piece of gear for me. It's something that I got to use on family hikes where I need to boil larger amounts of water to cook meals. So it's something that I'm looking forward to using, and I'll keep you updated on how it works out for me. If you have any questions, just post them in the box below. Thank you.